Outdoor flame torches can add ambiance and warmth to your patio or backyard, but safety matters. Today we're reviewing the Veeno LuxFlare pellet torch. Does it actually work and is it safe to use in your outdoor space? Let's break it down. So according to the product page, the Veeno LuxFlare is a stainless steel pellet fuel torch designed to produce an impressive flame up to around 1.5 meters tall and burn cleaner with eco-friendly pellets compared to traditional fire pits. The site pushes a premium look, easy setup, and minimal smoke and mess for patios, gardens, rooftops, or gatherings. That sounds great, but flame products deserve a deeper look before lighting them up. The marketing visuals and dramatic flame photos make the LuxFlare look like a perfect outdoor centerpiece. But the product page leaves out critical safety details, like whether flame height or intensity is adjustable, how you control and extinguish the flame safely, recommended pellet types and safe fuel handling, and clear safety certifications or fire risk warnings. For any open flame device, those details aren't optional, they're essential. A review of the sales page found that the operational safety instructions are missing, which is a red flag for a flame device. Another important piece of the puzzle is brand credibility. The LuxFlare page uses urgency tactics, big discount, bundle offers, and embedded Trustpilot style reviews. But independent analysis suggests these review sections may not link to real verifiable profiles. That makes the trust claims less reliable and explains why some buyers are cautious. This doesn't prove the page is dangerous, but it does mean you should verify safety and performance details before buying rather than relying on shiny ads. Here's what you need to know about outdoor torches in general. Fire hazards. Tall flames can pose risk near structures, overhangs, dry plants, or flammable decor if not placed with clearance. Wind sensitivity. Strong breezes can change flame behavior and escalate danger. Fuel handling. Pellet fuels need proper storage and handling to avoid moisture damage or unexpected burns. Control and extinguishing. You should know how to safely dim or put out the flame, not just light it. Without clear instructions and certified safety features, any torch, including the LuxFlare, should be treated with care and used only in open, well-ventilated outdoor spaces with fire safety tools nearby. So is the Veeno LuxFlare a good and safe outdoor torch? It could be a visually striking outdoor flame feature if it performs as advertised and you follow basic safety precautions. However, the lack of clear safety details, verified reviews, and specific operating instructions mean you shouldn't assume it's inherently safe. The bottom line, if you're considering the LuxFlare, verify the safety specs before you buy. Place it on non-flammable ground away from anything combustible, keep children and pets far away from the flame, and always have a fire extinguisher or water source close by. Safety first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.